This video is going to show you how to make a turkey gravy. Here we have a bunch of sliced turkey. I'm just going to tear it apart a little. It's like pulled turkey. Instead of pulled pork, we're pulling turkey. So you have pulled turkey, gravy on it. Now, if you like turkey gravy better than beef gravy, then you can put turkey gravy on it and bake it. If you like beef gravy better, put beef on it. So once you get it in pieces like that, then we're going to put our gravy on it, bake it for 40 minutes, and then you'll be able to make sandwiches with it, or put it on top of mashed potatoes, or put it on top of toast, however you like it. That's all you do is pull apart your turkey, and we're going to add gravy to it. And what I'm going to do is put beef gravy on it, because in my family, they like beef gravy better than turkey. And it is really good. That's 1 can of gravy and 1 can of beef broth. It's a 10.5 ounce can, and we're just going to mix that up. You can also make homemade gravy. I have another video that shows you how to make gravy with no lumps. If you want to check that out, it's on my YouTube channel too. It's just called gravy. Okay, once you get that all mixed up, then we're going to add another can of gravy. We added 1 more can of gravy. So now we added 1 more can of gravy, and we're going to do a little bit more broth just to cover the turkey so it doesn't dry out. This is 2 pounds of turkey in this pan. Once you get it all mixed up, we're going to bake it on 350 for 40 minutes. Our turkey and gravy has just come out of the oven. I call this pulled turkey. You can take your leftover turkey from Thanksgiving and just pull it apart and throw it in gravy and bake it like this in the oven for 40 minutes on 365. Or a lot of delis have butterball turkey lunch meat. Just have them slice it a little thick, pull it apart, throw it in the gravy. 40 minutes, you got turkey and gravy. I hope you like my recipe. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.